Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into the world of LeetCode problem. Specifically, we will tackling problem number 345, reverse vowels of a string. So, we before starting, let us understand the problem statement correctly. We have to reverse only the vowel of a string. We have given S. Reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. Like we already know what are the vowels are. So as we see, we have given a string. Let's see this input to understand the problem statement. So we have given a string HELLO. So we have to reverse only vowels. So as we can see, this is not a vowel. This is a vowel. So we have to replace only vowel. So we have to replace E with O. So our new string would be HOLLE. This is the first input. I hope you understood it. Let's take another example. In second example, we have given LEETCODE. So we have to first replace first E with the last E. So it would be same. And we have to replace second E with this O. So the new string would be LEOTCEDE. Right? So let's understand how we will going to solve this problem. This is pretty easy, but let's understand the method we are following to solve this problem. We have given a string, but the simplest way to replace vowels is to convert the string into array. So we can easily convert this string to array, such as ch, h, e, l, we have to convert the string into this kind of array, so we can iterate each element. If it isn't vowel, simply increment the pointer. If it is vowel, then we don't have to do anything. And same was for j pointer. So it is vowel, so we have to swap them. So the new string would be HOLLE. I hope you understood it. So let's code this problem, and after that we will do a dry run of this code so you will understand it clearly. First, we should store the length of the string. So L s dot length, and we need to convert the string into array. So we can simply do char array of chars. Chars is the name of the array variable. So s dot to char array. Simple, right? So we need two pointer. First will be start, which point to the start of the start index, and the last index, so it will point on L minus 1. And we have to iterate through each value, but we need to make a set which contains the vowels, so that we can say that we can identify it, that it is a vowel. So we can make it a set of characters vowel. So we can simply add vowel.add all the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So we have created a set which contains the vowels. So we just have to iterate it and swap the vowels. Simple, right? So we can use a while loop where start is less than end. So what we have to do, if vowel dot contains it indicates that if it contains chars at start, means this start is pointing to 0. So if it is not vowel, so we don't have to do anything, just increase the pointer start plus plus, and same for end variable. Else if char at end is not a vowel, so we have to do end minus minus, because end is pointing to the last variable. If it is not vowel, move ahead. Simple. Else means both are the condition of false, then we will swap those variables. So in order to swap, we know a trick. Just create a temp variable, store chars at start. You know the formula, right? Temp is equal to A is equal to B, and B is equal to temp. So A is char start. So chars at start at end chars at end temp, and after that we have swapped the variables, but still we have to move our pointers start plus plus end minus minus end, but the function is returning string and we have converted that string into character array. So we have to convert that character array back into strings before returning it. So we can return string dot value of character array. Simple. I don't know this is capital or small, but let's try to run the code. I didn't cross check the code. Yeah, there is a mistake. Let's see. So as we can see, all the cases are accepted, so this thing is correct. You can convert character array into string using this function string.value of, and it take array as an argument. So let's try to submit the code, and After that we will see the dry run of the code that you will understand it more clearly. So as we can see, we have successfully submitted the code. So let's see the dry run of the code. So as we can see, our input is HELLO. So we have converted that string into character array. So our character array is like CH character array. It is a string array. Correct, right? So we have set two pointers, start and end. So the start would be here. We have set two pointers, start at the index of 0 and end would be at the end of the index. So what are we doing in this? We have created a set which contains all of the vowels and we are starting in loop while start is less than end. When the condition becomes false, it will go out of the loop. Like start cannot ever cross end. So if it does, the loop will, if it does cross the end, then the loop will end. So in the start of the loop, what we are doing, we are checking if vowel dot contains, does the vowel contains char at start. Char at start is what? H. So as we know, H is not the vowel, so we will do start plus plus and then we will check vowel dot contains char at end. So char at end, yes, it is a vowel, so we don't have to do end minus minus. And after that, else condition, where yes, so start would go one step ahead. So start is now here at this point. Start is pointing to this variable e and end is here. So as we can see, else code temp to start, this means swap those variables. So it will swap those variables and the new array would be like HOLLE. And after that, after swapping the strings, after swapping the characters, it will increment the pointers. So the pointer will be incremented. So here would be start and here would be end. After that, we can see there is no vowel, so start would go here and as we can see the both are equal, so the loop will end and we will return this. This is the character array, so we have converted the character array into string using this function string.value of, as we can see this function, right? So as we talk about the time complexity of the code, so we are only iterating the vowels, the array only one time, so the time complexity would be big of n and the space complexity would be, the time complexity would be big of n and the space complexity is constant because we are only storing those constant space, so the space variable is constant. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.